Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to code a simple command in C#. This is going to be the hello world command. It's probably going to be the first one for many of you. So you just click on the C# console app thing. You press next, you name it whatever you want it to be named. In this case, it's probably going to be hello world. And yeah, you can just basically name it whatever you want. Then press next. And then here, unless you have like something else here, then it should just be this. And I think if you're new, then you should just press create straight away. Okay, so this is just going to be a simple thing. So this is basically all I'm going to have. You can just delete whatever is there at the moment. I had the command as my just my default, so I'm just going to press this real quick. You're going to have to write console, and this is going to be the beginning of many actual commands. And you press console right line, you do brackets, you do the quotation marks, and then you write whatever you want to write. In this case, hello world. And that's pretty much it for hello world. Oh yeah, don't forget the semicolon. Okay, and as long as it says no issues or something like that, then you should be all good. And then you click this to run the program. Might take a while. It shows on this, and you just wait for it to load. Might take about 10 seconds. And there it is. You can see here that it says hello world, and that's pretty much all I'm going to show you for today. I'm just going to save this real quick and just, yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.